Since I do a lot of videos where I have to build things, or especially since I'm moving and I'm a girl, I have a lot of things that come with little bitty, tiny itty bitty screws. So I needed more of a precise screwdriving kit just to start out with. These come with 5 different screwdrivers, as you can see right here. It comes with Phillips heads and flat heads, and I'm going to pull out one of the Phillips head right now. As you can see, it's very small, but I can also pull out a flathead, and as you can see, very, very, very tiny. And what's really nice about these is it has the different size screwdrivers on the bottom of it. So this one is PH00, and I'm going to be using this screwdriver to screw back in my fan because these screws are getting very loose, and I was like, man, like I don't have a screwdriver for this. Well, now I do, and I'm just going to... So as y'all can see that these screws are pretty much all the way out right there. I'm just going to be using my precise Phillips head right now, and I'm going to be screwing it in. They are super, super easy to use. I know that if I can use these, then y'all definitely can, because I'm no handyman at all. But you can see that the screws are all the way in, and this precise screwdriver will help me a lot, especially the other ones, because Kenzie has a lot of things to build soon. So if you're looking for a nice precise screwdriver kit, then this definitely is a good kit right here. I'm Kenzie, and I'll see you next time.